We have used this as well.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Manu. Welcome back to the class. By the way, I can't see you yet. Hello?
Hello.
Okay, can you turn on your camera first? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. What's wrong with the camera? Is
Hmm?
there your camera is still off. I can't see you. Where are you, Manu?
Um. Couch.
You are
Couch.
okay in the couch. But your camera is off. It's turned off.
Hmm?
I can't see you. Yes. Yes. Okay, I can see you now. Thank you very much. Okay, for this afternoon, we will have your math. Okay, the continuation of your math, which is all about areas, right? Of both square and rectangle. So finally, I have some of the, not some, but copies of your lesson. Okay, so let's discuss about it. And then after that, we will have your worksheets. Okay. So before anything else, I forgot to ask, how are you today, Manu?
Good.
Okay, good. Can you share to teacher what you did today? Oh,
I went to school.
mm-hmm.
I I had PE.
Okay. How was PE?
Good.
It was good. Okay. I can't see you again, Manu. Hello? Is everything okay, Manu? Hello? Okay.
Hello.
Yes? Where are you now? Okay, good. I can see you. Thanks, Manu. Okay, are you in the kitchen?
Hello.
Oh, I thought you are. Anyway, so let's go back with your lesson about areas. Okay, so what is an area, Manu? Can you read, please?
The area of a figure is the number of square units need to cover its surface.
Okay, so that is the area. Okay, the number of square units needed, okay, to cover a surface. So let's know more about this with our example, which is not very clear, but I hope you can still see it. So the area of the tabletop is around 21 plates. So, if it took up or cover the surface of the tabletop, then that means it's 21 areas, right? There are 21 areas. Next, About how many Pokemon cards should you put on top of the book to cover the surface? So the estimate is about 9 Pokemon cards before you can cover the whole surface. Okay, so that is our example. Do you play Pokemon? Do you know Pokemon?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you play this one?
Yeah, in my Nintendo Switch.
Ooh, who do you play with?
This is single player.
Oh, you can play it alone. Okay. So let's talk about formulas. This one we've already talked about in our previous class, but let us have a review of it. So I remember now you said about the S. So S meaning the side. Okay. So an area of a square does have sides, right? And their sides are the same. So how are you going to calculate the area? What you're going to do is you multiply both sides. Okay, so side times side is equals to s squared. Okay, or the totality of the areas. Now, another is, later I'm going to show you an example of this. But for now, let's talk about also the area of rectangle formula. So for the rectangle formula, it's different from a square because square do have equal sides, right? They have equal sides. But for a rectangle, no, right? We have the, can you read please, Manu? We have the, what is it? The long side and the, can you read this one, Manu? Can you see the screen?
Long side, short side.
Yes. Okay. So we have the long side and the short side. Now for the long side, it is called as the, what is it? Okay. What do you call the long, oh no, no, the short side. The short side is the,
Yes.
okay. And then the long side is the length, right? Now, how are you going to know the area of a rectangle? What you're going to do is you multiply the length, the size of the length, and the size of the width. So the formula now is area is equals to L times W. L as the length and W as the width. Okay. Now, let's move on, Manu, to our example. So here we have, okay, this is an example of what shape? What shape is it? Hello? What shape, Manu? Hello? What shape? Can you hear me?
Shape,
Shape. Yeah, shape.
square,
Is this a square with a length and a width? It's a, yes,
rectangle.
a rectangle. Okay. For um for a square, you only have the sides because they're equal. But for the rectangle, it is important to know the length and the width because they are not equal. We have the short side and the long side. Okay, before we proceed with the example, what is the formula of area of square? What's the formula? What's the formula? What is the formula in finding the area of square?
Three times two.
Hmm? The area of square. Formula. We're talking about the formula,
Oh,
Manu.
6 meters.
Okay, what is it?
6 meters.
No, this is the example. We're formula. Okay, this is the formula of square. Okay, so A is equals to side times side. Okay, side times side, or A is equals to S squared. Now, how about for the formula of rectangle? A is equals to length times width, or A is equals to L times W. Again, what is the formula of square? What's the formula of square?
S times S.
Okay, A is equals to S times S, correct. How about the formula of rectangle? Formula
Uh,
of rectangle.
L times W.
Okay, A is equals to L times W. So, for the example, we have here, what shape is it again? Okay, the shape is a rectangle, correct. Now, for a rectangle, Manu, we're going to use its equivalent formula, which is the A is equals to L times W. So here, as you can see, we have for the width, there are two, right? Two areas. And then for the length, we have three. So you're just going to multiply 3m times 2m is equals to 6m squared. By the way, where are you, man? Okay. Okay, are you drinking some water?
Yeah.
Okay, you drink some water first because you had a snack. Okay, and then I'm going to give you a reminder. So while you're drinking the water, reminder, Manu, that you have to put square. Okay. So if we have 3m times 2m, you can't just put here a is equals to 6m. You have to put m squared because there are also two of them. Okay? So it should be a is equals to 6m squared. Okay, next. So here we have another example. Theo makes a decorative bookmark of size 4 centimeter times 10 centimeter for his teacher. Find the area of the bookmark. Okay, so we have, what is the length of the bookmark? What's the length of the bookmark?
10.
And how about the width?
4.
Okay, so you're just going to multiply them. But please do not forget about centimeter, okay, or the cm. So it will become 10 cm times 4 cm is equals to 40 cm squared. So what is the final answer? Can you read this one, Manu? Okay, can you read?
The area of the bookmark is 4 centimeters.
4. The area of the bookmark is 40. Okay? Because 10 multiplied to 4 is 40. Okay? So it will become 40 cm. Now, let's proceed to your worksheet. Do you understand now how to do this task? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Now, let's have worksheet about area of rectangle. Okay, let's start with number 1. We look at number 1 and then solve. What is the length? Can you tell teacher first?
The length is
Number 1. What's the length in number 1? Remember, the length is the long side.
um
Oops.
78.
Okay. What is the length first? Let's identify. For number 1, the length is
Thir- thir- 30,
13
13
cm or centimeter, right? And then how about the width? That is,
6
okay.
centimeters.
So if you multiply them, what's the final answer? What's the area of the rectangle in number 1?
78
What? 78?
centimeters.
Do you want to add more?
No.
78 cm, but don't forget about the squared. Okay? 78 centimeter squared. Okay? Okay. But I can't write it down here, but let's just put it this way. Okay. Next, how about in number 2? What's the answer? Number 2. What's your answer in number 2? Is everything okay, Manu?
Yes. 8, 28.
Okay, 28. Very good. Maybe you can write here in the screen so that it's easier for you. Okay, so you can solve in the screen. So 28 what? What's the area?
Centimeter square.
Is it centimeter in number 2?
Square meters.
Okay, 28 meters square. Okay, next, number 3. This time we have a bigger rectangle. Okay, the length is 20 m and then the width is 10 m or meters. What is the area here in number 3. Okay, you solve first. Where are you going? Are you going out?
No.
Are you sitting down?
No.
Who is with you?
Tara. the girl that I always with. Yeah.
Okay, is it the village neighbor? Okay.
Her snacks.
Okay, let's do number 3 now. What's your answer in number 3, Manu?
$20.
20? If you multiply 20 to 10, you'll get 20. What do you think is the answer? Oops.
Big numbers. Oh no.
20.
Okay. My one.
Okay, 20 times 10.
Wait, what?
Okay, 20 times 10. Okay, I'll help you with this one, okay? Look at the screen first. So 20m, that's the L. And then 10m, that's the width or the W. You multiply them together. So 0 times 0, Manu, 0 times
Zero.
0, you got 0. 0 times 2,
No, Tara.
0 times 2, oops. What you get is 0 times 2. Hello? Okay. Hello,
Zero
Manu.
times 2, 0.
Okay, so you still get a 0. 1 times 0 is, what do you get? Still
0.
0.
0.
Okay, correct. Next, 1 times 2. You get
1 times 2.
is
Um,
1 times
2.
2. 2. Yes. Okay, so you're gonna write it down here, 2. So the answer is 0. Okay, you just bring down 0, another 0, bring down 2 as well. And for the m, okay, so of course you have to multiply that. So that's going to be m squared. So what's the answer? Sorry, it's so ugly. Hello? Okay, what's the answer, Manu? Manu. Okay. What is the answer in number 3?
200.
200 what?
200 meters square.
Very good. Okay. How about in number 4? Okay. Now the numbers are not that big. Okay. Still you follow. Okay, very good. L multiply to W. That's 3. 10 times 3M. Okay. So the answer is, what's the answer in number 4? 30. What? Is it 30 only?
Meter square.
Okay. And then you put also the M2, of course. And we're not done yet. We still have another worksheet here in number 5. Now the numbers are 8M and 4M. What is the area of the rectangle? Wait, I'm gonna make it.
2,
Okay, so
32
okay, 32 what?
meter square.
Okay, meter square again. Number 6, how about this one? What's the area of the rectangle? By the way, when you write down your final answer, you also need to write the letter A. Okay, because we're following the formula of the area. So A is equals to
What's
9.
Oh yeah.
Okay. What's the area of 9M multiplied to 6M?
Smells bad. Oh. 54.
Okay. 9M is equals 9M times 6M is equals to, okay, you write it down. 54. 54 what? Hello, Manu? Okay, don't forget about the M. Yes, okay. So that would be all for today. Okay, and tomorrow we will continue with our lesson. Tomorrow is still math. Okay. Okay?
Okay.
What are you going to do now?
Talk to my friend.
Okay. Okay, so finally you can play and talk to your friend now. I'll see you again tomorrow for our math class. Thank you, Manu, and goodbye.
Bye.